We're here at Qingdao Port's new Qianwan container terminal, one of the most advanced container terminals in the world. It has achieved a major milestone as China's first terminal to realize end-to-end unmanned operations for container vessels, from navigation through to berthing, mooring and cargo handling. Performance here sets global benchmarks. Cranes average 36 moves per hour, with peaks reaching a world record 62 TEU container boxes from shore to ship per hour. At that operating pace, even small disruptions matter, and any vessel instability at the berth quickly impacts the entire terminal. Operational delays, shifting vessel positions, weather disruptions reduce crane productivity, slow vessel turnaround, and compromise shoreside safety. To address these challenges, the port installed Trelleborg's automated vacuum mooring system, becoming the first port in China to deploy vacuum mooring and enabling vessels to be secured quickly, safely and reliably without traditional mooring lines. This eliminates the risk of mooring line snapback and significantly improves safety for both personnel and infrastructure.
Working closely with Qingdao Port and local consultant WTC, berth structures were assessed in detail to ensure AutoMoor was applied where it best supported the range of vessel sizes calling to the terminal. Since installation, mooring time has been reduced from 20 to 30 minutes down to approximately 30 seconds. Due to AutoMoor surge and sway dampening technology, vessels remain highly stable at the berth, allowing cranes to operate continuously and safely through our cargo operations, unlocking hundreds of additional berth hours each year and enabling more vessel calls at a terminal already handling millions of TEUs annually. Faster, more predictable mooring also reduces engine use during berthing and minimises tug activity, directly supporting the terminal's sustainability goals and enabling cleaner, more efficient operations. AutoMoor includes warping capability that enables efficient vessel repositioning, reducing the time it takes to align the vessel with its shore target. This makes berth planning more flexible and enables space to be used more efficiently. As a result, average crane performance is progressing from 36 towards 40 moves per hour, increasing overall terminal throughput.
At Qingdao Port, automation at the berth has become a performance enabler, delivering stability, safety, and predictable operations at scale.